So hello, can you tell us who you are and who you're working for?
Yes, ma'am. My name's Dalen Owens. I'm with Bass Cat Boats out of Midway, Arkansas, and we're here just trying to see what kind of processes you guys have and what would work in our space.
Excellent. And can you tell us what you do at your company?
Yes, I manufacture. Well, we manufacture boats, of course, but we have service, warranty, repairs, parts, accessories, and I manage the team. Basically, after we sell the boat, I manage them from there.
Excellent. And can you tell us the challenges you are facing in your manufacturing right now?
Yeah, price is one, parts, labor as well. So, looking to automate some processes and jobs that are hard. But that's about what we're facing right now.
Excellent. And did you demo the Cobot Welder today?
Yes,
How did you find it?
it's very smooth, easy to use. Probably one of the easiest I've found so far. We have a welding shop back home. We build our own trailers in-house. All that's manual, so we're just wanting to check this out and see if it's something we can use.
Excellent. And do you have any experience with robotics?
Yeah, I went to school. My degree's in automation and systems integration, so I did some FANUC classes and stuff. But we don't use them currently in where I'm working, but we'd like to.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and enjoy the show.
You bet. Thank you. Have a good one.